A taxpayer's death doesn't necessarily bring their tax problems to an end. Unfiled returns, outstanding IRS debt, an insolvent estate, and executor responsibilities can leave plenty to sort out. Knowing where to begin can be one of the biggest challenges. Learn practical strategies for working with the IRS, resolving missing returns, handling insolvent estates, and avoiding personal liability. Estate and tax attorney Klaralee Charlton brings practical guidance based on real client experience. Join us on August 27th for the Cleaning Up Deceased Taxpayers Tax Problems webinar. Register today at uofi.tax/decedent.